Assessment of personality. Assessment of personality is inevitable because personality is used as means of predicting behavior. Again, it is a way to identify and locate the various characteristics, traits, and other personality dimensions explained by different personality theorists. Without an idea of an individual, it is difficult to decide anything about him. Some important tools used for the assessment personality are given below. Personality inventory. The personality inventory is essential a questionnaire in which a person reports reaction or feeling on certain situations. A personality inventory asks the same question to each person, and the answers are usually given in form that can be easily solved and calculated. A personality inventory may be designed to measure a single dimension of personality, or it may measure several personality traits. Bell's adjustment inventory. It is an adult form of adjustment inventory which provides 4 separate measures of personal and social adjustment. We are going to say as it scores 1 mark. If the particular individual says no, it is 0 mark. Home adjustment. Individual scoring high tends to be unsatisfactory adjustment to their home surrounding. Low scores indicates a good satisfaction in home adjustment. Example, do you have a strong desire to run away from home? Health adjustment. High score indicate unsatisfactory adjustment in health. Low score has a satisfactory adjustment in health. Example, do you catch cold rather easily than others? Social adjustment. Individual score high tends to be submissive. Individual with low score is aggressive on social contact. Example, do you enjoy social gathering just to be with people? California Physiological Inventory (CPI). It is developed specifically to measure normal personality traits. There are 15 subject scales which provide scoring area like dominance, self-acceptance, responsibility, self-control, etc. It is designed to yield information concerning personal social characteristics. Example, I would never play cards with a stranger. Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Inventory (MMPI). One way to assess personality is to look at the content of what people say about themselves. It is designed by Hamway and McKinley in 1943. It was actually designed for clinical purpose. Since the test was intended to identify the people's behavioral disorders such as depression, hysteria, muscularity, femininity. This MMPI identifies 11 different traits including the above. It contains 550 statements and it is considered to be the best personality inventory. The 550 statements are printed on a card and subject has to place each card one of 3 categories: true, false, or cannot say. A brief description of the scale is given below. Hypochondriac, exaggerated concern with body health, depression, tendency to despondency, paranoia, extreme suspicious, hypomania, excessive elation and excitement, psychasthenia, obsessive, schizophrenia, pathological withdrawal from social contacts. Alport Vernian Lindsay study of values. It is another popular personality inventory. This test attempts to measure the strength of a person's interest in the following areas: theoretical, economical, social, political, and religious. In this first part of the test, there are a series of statements and similar to one given below, and the individual has to give yes or no answer. Example, the main objective of scientific research should be the discovery of pure truth rather than its practical applications. Eisen's personality questions. This condition 48 questions and 3 personality traits can be revealed from it. They are extrovert, introvert, neurotic, and psychotic. Maudsley personality inventory. It contains 57 questions and 3 personality traits can be revealed from it. They are extrovert, introvert, and neurotic. Edwards Personal Preference Schedule. It contains 225 questions and 15 different traits can be measured. They are achievements, order, autonomy, affiliation, dominance, etc. 16 Personal Factors. This was developed by Cattell. This inventory reveals 16 different traits. They are reserved, less intelligent, etc.